Are you living the life that you want, the one that you authored, that you scripted? Most of us have some things in place and some that we'd like better. We have an amazing, amazing session for you. You absolutely want to clear your calendars and show up, because we are going to help you live the life that you want. We're going to help you get bigger commission checks. That's right. Bigger commission checks are within reach. Having the work-life balance that you want within reach. So come join us. It's an amazing workshop that I did with my coach, and I loved it so much that I invested in it to bring it to you. Clear your calendars. I'm telling you, you are going to be so thankful that you join us for this. And it's just something that, as I said, I invested in, and I will sponsor you to have a seat in it. So you do need to absolutely register if you're going to be joining us, and show up if you register. Because, as I said, I'm sponsoring a seat for you. I'm paying for every single one of you to be there, and I'm happily going to do that because I want to see you have massive, massive, massive success in every aspect of your life, and I'm willing to bet on you to make that happen. So come join me, invest in yourself. You need to bring your laptop and your computer, and we're gonna help you have an amazing, amazing career, commissions, life, and love to be a part of it for you. So call the office, text us, email, register using this link, but get yourself to the class, and you will, I promise you, you're gonna thank me afterwards. If you wanna talk to some people that have taken this workshop, let me know, I'll connect you. We've got some folks that love it. Shah here with Fairway Mortgage, and I can't wait to see you.